Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix Instagram story music not working. So, in that case, what you can do is just follow me. I'll be teaching you a very easy step. Now, just follow me. And if you have any problems or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to check if Instagram is working properly or not, if there is any server errors or not. So to do that, just go to your Google Chrome.
There, just search for down detector and then go with Instagram over here like this, and then over here it will say if there is any problem or it is going under maintenance or anything like that. So in now currently it says that user indicates no current problems at Instagram, so there is no any problems with the servers. Another thing what you can do is you can just check the internet connection and try again. Another thing what you can do is just go to your Instagram, and then just what you do is just go to Instagram and then just let's say just log out and then log in again, and then it will be fixed. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any query, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.